Hello sir, I'm called Martha Namondomunanga and I'm here to present on Corporate Code of Ethics for ICT University. First of all, start by defining Code of Ethics as a set of principles, rules, behaviors, values and expectations used by individuals and organizations such as ICTU to govern their decision-making process in order to yield favorable outcomes. Most of the times, Code of Ethics is a result of consumer pressure, which has caused many corporations to establish and emphasize on ethical behavior. Privacy, which is the right to be left alone, and code of conduct policies make expectations for employee behavior clear and provide the standard behavior in their job action. The privacy policy guidance provides users with a level of assurance about how their data will be used, which is important in gaining their trust and encouraging them to do business with the university. This is the structure of an ethics code of privacy. What kind of data is collected by the university? How data is being collected? What is the purpose of collecting the data? How do you use the data collected? How the data collected by the university is stored, secured, and accessible? What information does the university share? So I'm going to be talking about employee privacy. I'll talk about code of ethics of users on the university's website. I'll also talk about code of ethics on IT infrastructure. Under employee privacy, we have respect employee privacy, such as emails, phone numbers, messages, and personal lifestyle. Here, ICT administrators or the ICT university is supposed to provide employees with business university emails or business emails that will help them to navigate in their line of work, in order for the university to not to monitor or access any personal information for the users, such as their emails, phone numbers, messages, and personal lifestyle. Honor and maintain confidentiality. ICT administrators should avoid disclosure of salaries to the public, the salaries of the employees. Employees' medical records should be kept private, and they should not be harassed or bullied or embarrassed due to any physical disability. Commitment and cooperation. Employees should stay committed to their work and avoid outside distraction that will lead them that will mislead them in their line of duty. Also, employees should cooperate on the university's investigation and should keep it private. Code of ethics for users on the university's website. You have account privacy, users' private information, respect the ICTU website. Users such as students should respect the ICTU website by avoid hacking it, but rather seek consent in navigating or accessing the website if necessary. Users' private information in the web server, which was collected on the website, should be kept private and should not be accessible by any third party. There should also be account privacy given to users. Code of ethics for IT infrastructure. We have computing resources, the ICTU security system alert, e.g. surveillance cameras. We have value and respect ICTU infrastructure. Members of the ICT university should value and respect infrastructure, be it network, hardware, or software components. Also, surveillance cameras placed should be notified to the students or the employees and should avoid monitoring employees rampantly, and cameras should not be put in private places like restrooms. Computing resources too should be well taken care of by the members of the ICT university, since it's an added advantage for them who work in the ICT university. In conclusion, integrity is an ethical standard that leads an individual to adhere to our values. So the points above are professional standards expected from employees, students, and every member of the ICT university to sustain career and provide services in the right way. These are my references, sir. Thank you very much. This is the end. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed this little presentation, this little PowerPoint presentation.